Hey, everybody. Well, for a winter that has been pretty darn quiet, we are entering now into a pretty active pattern. There's going to be a snow or a snow rain chance about every 12 to 24 hours over the next 5 days. But not a single one of these systems I'm looking at are big and enormous. They're not. They're little tiny small systems. Although Sunday, late Sunday going into Monday, that does look to be the biggest of, say, the 4 or 5 that I'm looking at. A lot of available moisture there, but the type of precipitation it's going to serve up for us is uncertain. Yesterday, it really looked like it was going to be a fair amount of snow out there. Today, it looks like it's almost all rain, so they're kind of going back and forth with the guidance there. And when it does that, it just means that we are not secure in where we believe the track of the storm is going. If it goes offshore, it'll be cold enough to bring in a lot of snow. If it stays inland, it'll be all rain. Right now, we have a little bit of snow out there. It's north of the city, Sullivan, Ulster, Dutchess County, into Orange County as well. And for hours now, I've been watching this and wondering, hey, is that going to continue to slide to the south? And I have the sneaking suspicion it's not going to. There's a tail on this, which gives you a little chance right there, back around western Pennsylvania. That could come through the metro areas, but I'll tell you, there's not going to be too much with this system at all. Again, it's land-based. It doesn't have a lot of moisture to begin with. A trace maybe in the city, maybe 3 inches, some places outside the city. But, you know, this active pattern that I'm talking about, and yet you can't say, oh, I see that big swirl right in the middle. There's nothing like that right now. These are all small, little systems, but there are 5 of them. And here's how it works out for us. You get to, like, say, 10:30 tonight. Could see a couple of snow showers in the city. I still think it's primarily north of the area. And then 3 a.m., this is the bulk of what it has to offer. You notice the East End getting a pretty decent little clip. The city's kind of got that wet snow, wintry mix combination. Out of here by, say, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe a trace to 1. We'll emphasize the trace around the city, maybe 1 to 3 as you go further north, maybe the East End as well. Then you get to Friday. Friday could start off with some snow showers out there, but not too much. Then you get to Saturday, starting off with a snow shower. Saturday warms up to like 45 degrees, so it turns to rain. And then Sunday, here's what we have got to watch, because that's showing a lot of rain. The green shows you the rain. The pink is the icing sleet combination, and that blue and white would be where the snow is. But I'll tell you, yesterday, this picture, when I was looking at it yesterday, the European was showing all snow. Now it's a majority of rain. It merits keeping an eye on it. It's got more available moisture than any of the other 5 little systems I showed you. All right, so across the board, look at those temperatures. They are going to be real cold as you go into your first full week of March. You should be around 44, 45 degrees. I think you're going to be closer to 32 degrees, so a good 10, 15 degrees cooler than average. All right, everybody, that's it for me. Keep it right here or watch us on TV, CBS2 or WLNY 1055.